the second time I'm announcing the press conference for the Filmfare. And many congratulations to Britannia and to you, sir. It's possibly one of the most prestigious platforms we have in the film industry, and to be associated with it is a matter of great pride, not only for actors, but I hope for you as well. Your promotional activity is brilliant. Can some actors apply for that also? हम लोग बिस्किट खाएंगे तो हम लोग भी जा पाएंगे. In case sometimes, you know, Jitesh has his oops moment where he said, oh, I forgot. तो invitation card अगर नहीं पहुंचा, so we'll buy some. हम लोग भी खा के फिल्म फेयर जा सकते हैं. It's the 60th Filmfare Awards. It's very momentous, and as was announced earlier, it is possibly the oldest and definitely one of the most prestigious awards that we have in the Hindi film calendar. I still remember winning my first ever Filmfare. It was one of the moments for me in my career so far. It was actually good 10 years ago. 2004, I won Best Supporting Actor for Yuva, and it was made even more special because they were celebrating 50 years of Filmfare, and the statuette was actually gold. So I'm one of the lucky few who has actually a gold Filmfare statue. बिस्किट खाएंगे इस बार और क्या?
Is there going to be like some special recipes that you?
There used to be a time, I think you weren't born then, when at Filmfare there used to be a goodie bag that used to go around. On your chair there used to be it was from where I don't remember, one water bottle, one croissant inside, one biscuit. This was your picnic because Filmfare those days used to go on for 6-7 hours.
Right, but what
so either khao piyo and then kisko after that.
Sure.
So this time we'll ask him to give us some biscuits. It's the least they can do for us. So as soon as we're entering, just after Jitesh's mind-blowing performance, you stand there with your goodie hamper and just give one to every actor. Ki agar bhook lage bhaiya to kha lena. It'll be shot on television also. We'll get more promotion. Well, I think you'd be a fool if you're going to compete with Amitabh Bachchan. So you know that's a race you're going to lose for sure. So no, but he is most excited about the awards that I've won, and thankfully my entire family has been present for all the times I won a Filmfare, and it's a moment I wanted to share with them. My father took me to the first ever Filmfare that I had ever gone to, and I was accompanying him and he won an award. So to have my family around when I win is always special. So no, we don't compete about these things. But yeah, they're all kept there, and like I said, it's a constant reminder.
अमिताभ को प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, तो क्या आपका कोई कैमियो हमें देखने मिलेगा इस मूवी में?
जी नहीं.
Okay. इन फ्यूचर कोई फिल्म साथ में फिर से आपकी अमित
अभी तो नहीं है, but in Shamitabh I've done a passing shot. कैमियो तो नहीं किया. वो शूट कर रहे थे एयरपोर्ट में, and I had just landed from London, so I was passing by and Balki was rolling the camera, so by default I'm in the, sorry, you'll have to tolerate me in Shamitabh also, but no cameo, no.
अभिषेक,
हाँ जी.
हाँ, ये जॉन के साथ आपकी दूसरी मूवी है, तो कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप?
ये दूसरी नहीं, तीसरी है मैम.
सॉरी, तीसरी.
हाँ जी, हमने एक छोटी सी फिल्म की थी, उसका नाम था धूम. हाँ. उसके बाद एक और छोटी सी आर्ट हाउस फिल्म बनाई थी दोस्ताना. अभी एक बड़ी कमर्शियल फिल्म बनाने जा रहे हैं हम लोग जी. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई कॉल जॉन बाबा. सो ही इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट को स्टार्स, एंड हम लोग बहुत सालों से इस खोज में थे कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट मिले हम दोनों को, क्योंकि हम चाहते थे कि धूम और दोस्ताना के बाद हम एक ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट लें जो हम दोनों को बहुत पसंद आए, एंड इट गिव्स द पीपल दैट लाइक द जोड़ी ऑफ जॉन एंड माई सेल्फ द स्कोप टू डू व्हाट वी डू बेस्ट. So we're very happy with the new script of Hera Pheri 3. Neeraj ji had narrated Hera Pheri 3 to me कुछ 3 साल हो गए अभी. हम लोग बोल बच्चन के सेट्स पे, मैम आपको TV9, thank you. On the sets of Bol Bachchan, he narrated the idea to me, so they've been working on it since then. So we're very excited. I spoke to him this morning again, and we have a function in the evening, and I hope to see you there, and then we can answer some more questions about that.
Thank you.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.